I am Piyush Divakar, BTech final year CSE student from MIT, and today I am here to provide you some exciting information about APM tool. So what we will discuss in this session, have a look at the table of content. First of all, we discuss what is APM, then why we need APM, then understand working of APM and use of APM, then which kind of tool present in the market, then choosing the right tool that actually help in your business, then discuss the new Relic APM tool. Introduction. Application performance monitoring give you a complete picture of your business application. Although it does not provide a complete view of your entire infrastructure, application performance monitoring is a passive process, keeping watch over the operations of your applications and the infrastructure in which they are run and reports back on the status. The information then feed into analysis that inform the decision making required to respond and fix problem. Need of APM. When a user performs a transaction on a digital business service, the application owner needs to know if the application is responding as it should, whether all the backend processes are being executed as they should, if there is any slowness in transaction process, which part of the application architecture is causing it, whether there is an error bug in the application code, a problem in the application server, or in a web front end, a query execution slowly, a hotspot in the backend database, slow network, etc. Various aspects performing monitor. Digital user experience monitoring, business transaction profiling, application code level diagnostics, infrastructure visibility, application deep dive analytics. How APM works. Application performance monitoring works by observing how apps are performing and whether they are behaving appropriately. If the apps are not behaving appropriately, then data is collected on the source of the issue. The gathered data is analyzed in the context of its impact on a business and application environment is corrected to resolve any similar problem before they occur. Some of the most critical application monitoring metrics include web performance monitoring, CPU usage, application availability and uptime, request rate, customer satisfaction, error rate, number of instances. Why use application performance monitoring? Without an APM solution, you might manage app performance using synthetic transaction. Means if this is how you plan to monitor application performance, you should determine how you will alert to new issues. How would you difference between normal and abnormal slowdown or get to a root cause of problem quickly? Manual instrumentation. Challenge abound when adding performance monitoring code to your app. How do you know which code to instrument? How will you maintain it? What if you decide to monitor any additional metrics down the road? Customer feedback. You don't want customer calling support to alert you to problems. But without an APM solution, it's impossible to take a proactive approach to solving performance issues. Use of APM. IT professionals can create rules so the APM tool alert them when a problem arises or when an application's performance dip in a specific area. They can also prioritize applications based on how business critical they are. In virtual deployment, APM tool can help IT professionals monitor application server to ensure that they comply with on SLA. The cloud introduced a host of additional dependencies into applications performance even when applications are based on the cloud themselves. For this reason, there is cloud application performance monitoring, which focus on tracking the performance of applications based in private and hybrid cloud deployment. Application tools, APM tools. APM tools track an application performance over time and help IT professionals understand the effect that different dependencies make on application performance. When choosing an APM tool, organizations should look for the product that focus on ease of use, user experience, and development of actionable insight from collected data. The APM tool also should be able to track performance at the code level, manage app written in company's chosen language, monitor the full infrastructure stack, identify connections between app performance and business outcome, and take advantage of artificial intelligence. Top APM tools on the market: Google Stack Drive Monitoring and Google Cloud Console. Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform, Microsoft System Center, Azure Application Insights, Dell Foglight, Stackify Trace, New Relic APM and New Relic Alerts, Pulse Secure Virtual Traffic Manager. Choosing the right tool. The app market is loaded with solutions, each with their own set of performance monitoring tool. Be sure to choose an APM tools with a strong focus on ease of use and user experience and turning data into actionable insights. At the fundamental level, you will need an APM solution that can manage apps built in your language, monitor your entire infrastructure stack, monitor performance at code level, leverage artificial intelligence, connect the dots between app's performance and business outcome. This is New Relic APM tool logo. The selection criteria for selecting APM tool New Relic. Platform language support, developer familiarities, ease of use, integration support, and finally pricing. Ease of setup. Sign up on newrelic.com for 30 days free trial, get license key, download appropriate SDKs, add SDK to startup script of app, cap deploy or end. Data come in within minutes. Chef Puppet package configure management allow you to scale NR. There are some screenshot of New Relic APM tool. This is overview screen, then app profiling screen, mobile RUM screen, system monitoring screen, finally map screen. Thank you for listening